Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to download PureVPN. I'll walk you through how to purchase it, set it up. PureVPN is a premium VPN, so there's a service fee, but you can get a discount by using the link in the description. First, let's go over how to set it up on your desktop. Use the link in the description to visit PureVPN's site and sign up. They offer a 31-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Once you've signed up, download the app for your operating system, install it, and log in with your credentials. From there, you can customize your settings to fit your needs. For instance, you can enable features like Auto Connect and a kill switch for extra security. Once you're ready, simply select a server and connect. PureVPN offers over 6,500 servers globally, ensuring fast and reliable connections. Next, let's set it up on your iPhone. Open the App Store, search for PureVPN, and download the app. Log in using the same credentials, allow the VPN configuration, and you're all set. The app syncs with your desktop settings, so it's quick and easy to start protecting your data on the go. PureVPN works seamlessly across multiple devices, allowing you to connect up to 10 devices with a single account. It's also highly rated for its security and performance, making it a solid choice for safeguarding your online activity. If you're ready to take your online security to the next level, use the link in the description to try PureVPN at a discounted rate. Your privacy and security are worth it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.